So do you have an idea for an Easter craft?
Oh geez, nope.
Huh, wonder who that is. Hello? Oh, it's Miss Leonard. Yeah? That's a great idea. Okay, bye. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's tell them. Hello, fellow makers. Today we're gonna make
Bunnies.
Yep, we are going to make some paper bunny pals.
Wow.
So, to get started, we'll talk about materials. What are we going to need, Kins?
Pencils.
Yep, we'll need some colored pencils, or you could use markers, whatever you have on hand.
Glue.
Yep, you'll need some glue.
Scissors. Baggies.
You'll need bags. So we have two options. You either can use a recycle gift bag, or you can use a paper lunch bag. We will show you how to do both. And then
we'll need some bunny templates.
Yep, you will need a printed bunny template. It will have a bunny body and a bunny head. So Kinsley and I are going to get started.
Fact time!
Rabbits are very social creatures, living in groups and forming strong bonds. A baby rabbit is called a kit, while a female is known as a doe and a male is a buck. Their teeth never stop growing. Instead, they are worn down as a rabbit chews on grasses and vegetables. When a rabbit is particularly happy, they perform what is called a binky, quite literally a leap of joy. Now, back to the video.
So Kinsley and I are going to begin with our first step, which is to color in your template. And again, you can use whatever you have on hand, crayons, colored pencils. Today we are going to use colored pencils. So let's get started.
Your hand will get tired of this.
I think we'll be fine. So now Kinsley and I have finished coloring in our template, and the next step is to cut them out. So that's what Kinsley and I are going to do. Okay, so Kinsley and I finished cutting out our bunny parts, and now we are on to the last step, which is to glue them on to our paper bags. So I will be using a paper lunch bag. Kinsley will be using a recycled gift bag, and sometimes they'll have a barcode, which we just covered up with paper. So now we are just going to glue on our bunny parts. You ready?
Yeah. Gluing time!
So this is the end result of our paper bunny pals. As you can see, we have some guests, Hudson and Luke, who are here to show you the end result as well. So as you can see, here's the paper bags, and here's what it looks like with gift bags. Can you show them the gift bags, Hudson and Luke? Show them. And we just wanted to say thanks for watching. Whoa there. We wanted to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. You want to do it again? Okay, then we'll have to wait, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so how do I turn this thing on again? Let's think, Miss Leonard. What to click? Do I click here? What about here? No, that's not it.